Which of the following statement is correct? A. The Chief Justice of India enjoys a tenure of 2 years from the date of appointment. B. The salary and pension of the Chief Justice of India is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. C. It is binding on the outgoing Chief Justice of India to name the senior most judge of the Supreme Court as his successor. And D. Chief Justice of India is the ex officio executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority. Let's look at the context. The President of India has formally appointed Justice Ramana as the 48th Chief Justice of India. Now, how is the Chief Justice of India appointed? Appointed by the President of India, but what is the process? According to Memorandum of Procedure, because 1993 and then in 1998, because of these two important judgments of the Supreme Court, the second judge's case of 1993, the third judge's case of 1998, India is perhaps the only country in the world where judges are, in a sense, appointed by themselves. So basically, there is a body called Collegium, which recommends names to the government, and those names shall have to be appointed by the President. So far as Chief Justice of India is concerned, according to this Memorandum of Procedure, the outgoing Chief Justice of India nominates his successor. But this successor should be fit to hold the office, which is when Justice Deepak Misra was the Chief Justice of India. He nominated his successor, Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Justice Ranjan Gogoi, he nominated his successor, Justice Bobde. And Justice Bobde has now nominated his successor, who is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Ramana. But it is not binding on the outgoing Chief Justice of India to name the senior most judge of the Supreme Court as a successor. He can name that individual who is fit to hold the office. That is why statement C is not entirely correct. Yes, he names the senior most judge of the Supreme Court as a successor, but this senior most judge has to be fit to hold the office. That is why entirely statement C is not correct. Statement D is not correct because Chief Justice of India is not, by virtue of him being the Chief Justice of India, the executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority. Statement D is wrong. Statement A, the Chief Justice of India enjoys a tenure of 2 years from the date of appointment. This statement is also wrong because there is no tenure system for the Chief Justice of India. So statement B is correct. The salary and pension of the Chief Justice of India is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. This is to ensure the independence of the office of the Chief Justice of India. That is why his salary and pension is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. That means it is not subject to the vote of the Parliament.